Perched on a wind-kissed peninsula, Seabreeze Cove is a quaint fishing village whose cobblestone lanes wind between pastel-painted houses. Each morning, the tide rolls in with a soft, rhythmic hush, exposing a glittering carpet of seaweed-strewn rocks that sparkle like scattered pearls. The town's lifeblood is the harbor, a bustling lagoon where brightly painted pinnaces bob beside weather-worn wooden piers. Here, mariners haul in nets brimming with mackerel, sole, and crustaceans, while women arrange the catch on linen-covered tables, their laughter mixing with the salty perfume of the sea. Beyond the market, the locals celebrate a cultural tapestry woven from generations of seafaring traditions. Fishermen recount tempestuous storms they have weathered, and artisans carve driftwood into delicate figurines that echo the rolling waves. The aurora that occasionally paints the night sky adds a luminous backdrop to these stories. Midday brings a lively bazaar to the town square. Stalls overflow with artisan cheese, citrus-infused honey, and hand-woven batik fabrics. Musicians strum acoustic guitars, filling the air with a melodic blend that drifts over the distant roar of surf. Adventure seekers rent kayaks and paddle through the estuary, threading between mangrove thickets that serve as nurseries for tiny crabs and starfish. The crystal-clear tide pools reveal anemones and sea urchins, inviting curious onlookers to explore hidden marine life. When the sun climbs higher, the boardwalk cafes spill onto the sand, offering coconut water, iced tea, and sea salt focaccia. Patrons recline beneath palm frond canopies, sipping cool drinks while gazing at a panoramic view of the harbor, the call of a distant gull cry punctuating the air. Evenings in Seabreeze Cove are marked by fire pit gatherings. Families and friends share smoked trout, roasted corn, and spiced mulled wine, while lanterns sway gently, casting a soft, ethereal glow that mirrors the occasional bioluminescent plankton dancing along the shoreline. Through calm summers and storm-laden winters, the town's resilient spirit remains unshaken. Whether casting nets at dawn, dancing at sunset festivals, or simply watching the horizon dissolve into twilight, the inhabitants embody a harmonious relationship with the ocean, celebrating each tide as a renewal of life and tradition. Now answer the questions. What does the word quaint describe in paragraph 1? Why are the lanes of Seabreeze Cove called cobblestone? In paragraph 2, what activity are the mariners engaged in, and which 3 types of seafood are mentioned? What does the term tempestuous imply about the weather conditions the fishermen have faced? Explain the meaning of luminous as used in paragraph 3 to describe the aurora. What is a bazaar in paragraph 4, and what kinds of goods are sold there? In paragraph 5, what does the word estuary refer to, and how is it different from the open sea? List 3 sensory details that the author uses to create the atmosphere of the evening gatherings in paragraph 7. What does the phrase bioluminescent plankton suggest about the natural phenomenon described? What broader meaning does the adjective harmonious convey about the relationship between the town's people and the ocean?